The world order that gave you cheap flight, cheap food, and the illusion of lasting peace is collapsing right now. Think about the last time the world actually felt stable. It feels like a long time ago, doesn't it? Wars are breaking out, inflation is destroying savings, and young people are giving up entirely, lying flat, quite quitting or betting everything on crypto just to have a chance at a future. This is not random. Yes, this is not random. It's the end of an era. Archival footage of the Berlin Wall falling, followed by a map showing American influence spreading globally. To understand where we are heading, we need to understand what we are leaving behind. After 1989, humanity experienced a unipolar moment. One superpower, America, sat at the center of a single global system. This was the end of history, where liberal consumer democracy seemed to be the final answer to civilization. This system rested on three pillars: Pax Americana, the supremacy of science, and the power of the US dollar. The first pillar was Pax Americana, American peace. For the first time in history, one nation held enough power to maintain order across the globe. They did this through, yes, they did this through aerial supremacy, mass surveillance, disguised as the internet, and multilateral institutions like the UN that gave the American empire a friendly face. It worked for a while. East Asia stopped fighting and hundreds of millions escaped poverty. But the peace is fragile. The second pillar was the supremacy of science, which gradually replaced religion as our organizing belief system. But during recent crisis, anyone questioning methodological timelines was treated not as curious but as a heretic. This is not science, it is religion wearing a lab coat when an institution prioritizes its own survival over discovery. It loses its purpose. The third pillar is the US dollar. It's a piece of paper backed by nothing but collective belief. People organize their entire lives around accumulating it, but the dollar has become a machine for manufacturing inequality. Printing unlimited money transfers wealth invisibly from the young to the old. A young person today works harder than their parents but cannot own the home their parents own. They are not lazy, they are walking away from a rigged game. When these three pillars collapse, the world beneath them breaks. Start with energy. Our entire civilization of 8 billion people. Of course, our entire civilization of 8 billion people sits on one foundation: cheap oil flowing out of the Middle East. Cut that and the food chain fails. Fertilizers is shipped globally. If those trade networks stop, we face famine unlike anything the modern world has witnessed. Worse still is water scarcity, which is already producing mass migration. Finally, the internet is physically fragile. A single deliberate cut to undersea cables could eliminate internet access for 30% of the population, collapsing global banking and supply chain. The world is shifting from efficiency to resilience. We must move from materialism to meaning. Thank you.